Cool.
Amazing.
Oh.
Hey.
All right, let's do some rodeo burgers.
Rodeo burgers.
You want to call them rodeo burgers?
Yeah, I got to start bacon. I'll cook these up, move them over before we get the burgers on. So yeah, rodeo burgers. So we're gonna have bacon. We're gonna have some onion rings.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do some pickled jalapenos. I got my mom's famous pickles. These are homemade. A little spicy on there. Got the name because we were in Texas doing some work business a few years ago, and stopped at a local joint and ordered a rodeo burger, and this is on it. So, all right.
Okay.
Let the bacon cook a little bit.
Bacon's on.
All right. There it is.
All right. Bacon's coming along. All right, bacon's done.
All right.
So
I know we have the bacon grease, but I'm just gonna have a little bit of oil here, just a little bit on top of it, because I want to get it fine.
Yep.
So we're gonna do some onion rings. Now, I got some pre-done onion rings because out of convenience, a little bit easy for everybody. So I thawed them in the refrigerator just now. And just gonna fry them for a little bit, right? Or fry them on the grill. You can make your own if you want, or put them on there. But I figure this would be fun to do.
well, it's much easier to do them this way. And these actually have the whole onion inside. And some of these brands you can get are just minced, or they're not real onion rings. You guys know that. So this makes it real easy, especially if you're out at the camp.
Yeah.
Or you're outside at the grill or whatever. You can take these flash fried onion rings.
Yeah.
And just cook them up on your grill. Like that.
So start to flip them over, brown them up a little bit. That's all you really want to do. You can actually smell them too. Some of them get a little messy here. That's all right. Doesn't matter how they taste. Got a leaf that just fell.
Good,
right,
good.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh, you want to do it there like that?
Sounds good.
One, two, three. Oh, then 3 more. Yeah, we'll do 3 more here. Try to do my math. I wasn't really good at math. So.
Oh, good.
No, that's perfect. There we go. We got 12. There we go.
Perfect. All right.
Smash it. Is that enough parts? You need more of that or enough?
Perfect.
All right.
Perfect. Yeah, you don't need a ton. We've got a proper smasher.
Oh, yeah, we got with actual one.
Real one this time. All right, let's do it.
Smash.
There you go. These are about 3.5 ounces, I think, or so.
Yeah, those
that one's a little smaller, but that's all right.
I like getting a little air pockets in there too.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, the char comes all through it and little juicy bits.
Oh, look at that.
Season them on the other side, right?
Yep, yeah, and I figured what we'll do the SBG, of course.
Yep.
And let's do some big techs.
Oh,
After all, it's a rodeo.
That sounds awesome.
All right. And that's where I got the inspiration for this when I was down there, so. Here, let me get a... Go.
Sprinkle away.
Little SBG. And then the big favorite. With a big Tex.
What is it?
Big Texan.
Big Texan.
Yeah. Cool. You get a lot out of this, so you don't want to put too much on. Because you get a loaded flavor on these, so nice little sprinkle. Make it a little red. There you go. Oh man. Oh, and I'll sprinkle a little onion ring. Look at that. There you go.
Perfect.
Oh, that's it right there. That's it.
Some money.
Oh. Yeah, those little pockets are key. I know you have a professional career, but why not be cook at a diner? I think you'd be really good at it.
Gonna open a smash burger place.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna have to do.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Do a franchise.
BBQ Pit Burger.
Oh yeah.
Look at that right there. Heck yeah. Boom.
All right, so we got cheese over there.
So yep, right after the flip, I generally start throwing cheese on and
All right.
letting her melt. Right
All right.
here.
Got cheese.
Here, you want to throw some cheese on, Jitter?
All right, yeah, Jason, yeah.
Slap it on,
All right,
man.
Jitter, come on.
Go. The cheese
He's a new daddy. He's hungry. He's like, give me some food now.
I was sitting in the goose line this morning. That's all I was thinking about was lunchtime.
Oh yeah.
The things you do to pass the time. Put these back on. Think about food.
Oh yeah.
Did you guys time it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
I think it's time to stack these babies up.
All right. Time to stack. There you go. One atop another. Look at that. These are double stacks. Look at that. There we go.
Nice.
Now we got the bacon.
We'll heat the
we
back
got
up
the
a little
onion
bit.
rings.
Yep. That's pretty much it. You know, we'll get the buns. We're gonna get the bun man come over and help us out.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, he's busy with his grandson right now. It's all right.
So
But
I
yeah.
can actually take 5 minutes here.
Yeah, I'm just toasting. All right, I'm gonna just toast some buns up real quick. These are potato buns.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 seconds.
You hungry or what?
Usually the bun man helps me out, but he's a little busy. Changing a diaper. The warden likes to do the buns. He's pretty good at it.
We gotta plate these up.
Yeah, I'm gonna dress one up, and then what we're gonna do is the boys are gonna come over and they're gonna have some fun with it. Which one should I do here? They all look amazing. you
So
know?
how much are we charging them for this?
I don't know. They work.
They're what? They work?
They work for us. Yeah, I don't know.
I want to see their time cards.
I know. That's what I'm gonna say. All right, so put the patty down.
All right.
And what I want to,
Patty,
this is
cheese.
typically what you do is you're gonna get a couple beautiful pieces of bacon here.
We've got some smoked bacon here.
There you go. And then you're gonna do the onion rings, right? And everybody's, what I've learned is that you put a couple, you put some onion ring on, but then you put the sauce on it.
Yep.
And you could be generous with the sauce because you need the sauce for your greens to stick to it. Now, when I talk about greens, we got some pickled jalapenos. These are actually homemade pickled jalapenos. These are a little spicy, which is good. And then we got some homemade pickles. Nothing.
Yep.
Little dill style. I think there's some red pepper flakes in here as well.
Oh yeah.
All right, and there she goes.
There you go, man.
Look at that little onion ring. Action. And there you go. And now, let's go. Let's start. Yeah, we can start to.
All right. I say it's time to eat, so come in here and make your own.
Here, I'll start
Put it
one for
together.
somebody here. So I'll.
Whoa. Stack that bacon on.
Look at that. We'll,
Woo! That's $5 worth of bacon right there alone.
I know, right?
That's a good smoked bacon.
There we go. All right.
That's crazy.
Oh, wow. Of course, big cred to Jacob, who is the smash. Oh, see, this is where the customization.
All right.
Hey,
Who
Jitter.
gets that one?
Jitter, I thought you were gonna do your pulled turkey,
I know.
and then yeah, so you could layer what you want on there and go to town.
There you go.
You got some bacon and onion rings.
Look at that.
I just heard Waylon make a noise saying, "I'm ready."
I see a poblano in there. Oh man. There we go.
There it is.
That's
Oh,
Here we go. Here we go. I'd say definitely.
oh,
Oh. Oh man. Pickle. Right here.
I can't wait to see what Jitter puts together. He's gonna have a whole smorgasbord here.
Oh, it's never too much.
Oh man! Look at the juices.
Good.
All right, here's a Jitter classic coming up here because he's gonna do a. What do you got? The burger. You got the pickles on the bottom. All right, okay. Hey, listen. What do we got here?
There's some pulled wild turkey that you would never guess is wild turkey, but it is not pulled pork. It is actually wild turkey.
That's it. So is it, what is it, in a 16-ounce bottle, a pint bottle, or what is it? What did you get your wild turkey? Oh, real one. Oh,
Real wild turkey.
that's what we were talking
Get a
about.
little slapper-runner.
Okay. Misunderstood.
I'm gonna put that on here. That was
I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some fries at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on.
Pour a sauce on the top of
Gonna
that.
throw up some legs and get some barbecue action.
That right there. I don't know how I'm gonna eat it.
You don't. Why don't we? Actually, why don't we cut one in half
Right
and then wait?
Yeah.
All right, and then we'll.
I get that.
Yeah, here, let me film it. Let me film and cut it. Actually,
Ready?
Goody.
You ready for this? My mouth
Yeah.
is crazy. Because it's insane. Right. Got a lot going on in there.
There you go.
Amazing.
Oh,
Yep. Yep.
all right. I'm just gonna cut one in half for us.
You gotta see what's on the inside.